Hey, what's up guys? Today we are looking the new very cool video. Before we go to the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and leave a comment saying I'm subscribed, and we are trying our best to personal reply to your comments, so let's go. Dashcam Pro. Outstanding image quality with high resolution of 2592 x 1944, capturing license plates, road signs, and other critical details on the road. Compatible with the RC06 rear camera, the Pro++ can achieve dual-channel recording, providing all-round protection, so you can drive with peace of mind. In dual-channel mode, the front camera maintains up to 1944p resolution. Multifunction meter. Auto X95 GPS car digital inclinometer is a multifunctional instrument with inbuilt multi-axis gyroscope and GPS system, which can measure the slope and inclination, the degree of downhill and uphill of off-road vehicles. It also provides vehicle speed, altitude and vehicle driving direction, and has high-precision satellite real-time clock function. Supports PD 3.0, QC 3.0, Samsung AFC, and Huawei SCP super fast charging protocols. 20W PD fast charging, fully charged by 1.2 hours. High pressure car washer. When you travel outdoors, just put the water pipe into the rivulet, bucket, or any water source to start washing your car. Washing your car at any time in any place. Cordless design, clean anytime, anywhere. High-performance battery, bid farewell to drag line troubles. Car Mattress. How to inflate the mat. 1. Open the valve at the end of the mat. 2. Leave it for 3 to 5 minutes. It will take hours to inflate totally for the first use. 3. Wait until the mat be fully inflated. 4. Close the valve at the end of the mat. 5. Open gas tap on the pillow. Blow to your desired thickness, while pinching the bottom of gas tap into an ellipse shape. Car phone holder and charger. Phone holder has 15-watt super fast charging technology, can quickly recharge mobile phone battery in 30 minutes. Various temperature control, heat dissipation ability is stronger and safer. Pure electric, easy to face various road conditions. Car Diagnostic Tool. Featuring 10 modes of OBD2 tests, think OBD can be compatible with most OBD2 protocol-compliant cars to read and clear emission codes, show live data, O2 sensor test, onboard monitor test, component test, and view vehicle information, etc. The main purpose of this tool is to scan the engine systems, tell you about the nature of the issue, and much more. Car Safety Triangle. This portable work light made of high-quality ABS material, lightweight, wear resistance and corrosion resistance. IPX5 waterproof rating. Ensure the portable work light works fine in rainy days. Duck car decoration. Good decoration. The cute rubber duck wears a funny hat with a propeller. When the wind blows, the propeller will rotate. This is a unique and interesting duck to decorate our bicycles, cars, etc. Unique design. This yellow duck decoration is equipped with interesting helmets, glasses, necklaces, double-sided tape, belts and lights. Car Pocket Organizer. Beautiful modeling, concise and easy installation. The wear-resisting performance is extremely outstanding. Excellent cold and breathe freely, aging resistance performance. Hey, if you like this video and want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click notification bell so you don't miss new videos. Thank you.